Hi guys, in this video we are going to be testing new Essence makeup products and I have here the What's Your Fruit Mood collection. The theme of this one is fruit and all of the products are super adorable. I'm also gonna use some of the products that you guys have been asking me about, like this one here. This is the Choose Your Glow highlighter palette, and in this one we have 3 shades of highlighters and also a beautiful mirror. And the whole packaging reminds me a lot of the Royal Party collection, am I right? From last year. Before we start, let me know in the comments if you want to see a video about my top 10 favorite Essence products. And let's start with the What's Your Fruit Mood collection. The first product that I have here is the mini brush set. We have 4 mini brushes. They are just so cute. I love this rose pink metallic handle. In this one we have a face brush, a precise face brush, an eyeshadow blender and also an eyeshadow shader. All of them come in this beautiful cylinder here. So let's open this. Yeah, I'm not good in this. Okay, that was easy. So let's take all of them out. You can also decorate your vanity with this. It's super pretty. This one here is the face brush. I love this detail on the bottom part. Very nice and also very soft. This is the precise face brush for your blush and maybe your bronzer. It is a little bit too small. This is the eyeshadow brush and also the eye blender brush. It reminds me the Zoeva 225 brush that I use all the time in my makeup tutorials. The packaging is super gorgeous. I really like it. And let's continue with the next product, which for me is the most interesting. And this is the SPF 25 Refreshing All Over Mist. It has energizing grapefruit scent. So I really want to see if it has a fine mist. Ooh, the mist is very fine. That's nice. So I'm gonna use this also on my face today. And if this was SPF 30, I would be so happy. After that, we have a jelly primer. I love jelly products. This one also has the Good Mood Watermelon scent. Oh, it smells very nice. And I didn't open it. For this one I'm gonna do a wear test so we can see if it gives a glowy finish. The super light jelly primer creates a cooling sensation and prepares the skin for a smooth makeup application. That's so cool because now in the summer we want something refreshing. So we have here 25 milliliters of product and this one is also vegan. Also this one here is vegan. Here we have the mini lip set. It is so pretty. We have a mini jelly lip gloss and also a mini liquid lipstick. So let's see how they look. I think all of the products are in a mini size, so you can have them in your purse. I'm going to do lip swatches for this, so you can see the colors. Next we have a mini scented nail polish, and you can find these in 2 shades. I have here the shade 1, Let's Melon Together. That's so funny. This one also has the Good Mood Watermelon scent. I'm very curious to smell it. Let's sniff this. I don't know, it smells like a nail polish, but maybe after it dries down on your nails, it has a watermelon scent. We're gonna check that. In this collection, we can also find the mini fixing spray. It is so small and pretty. And let's see, this one has a coconut scent. Oh, it smells very nice. It's not that very chemical coconutty scent. I'm gonna use this also on my face. I think the mist is a lot better than the other setting spray that they have. Okay, ooh, it smells nice. Oops, I ate some. That happens. You need to close your mouth. The prettiest product of this collection is this one here. It is a fan, a watermelon fan. It is super pretty. You can use this for your fixing spray or for your nail polish. It is what you need in your purse now to refresh yourself all the time. And this one here is the grapefruit lip balm. It is the first product that you have seen in this video and I'm going to also use it first today. It has a very real grapefruit scent. It is very weird because we know this is a chemical product, but it smells very nice. And I'm taking a spatula and a little bit of the product. Oh, this has color. It has a glossy finish And you don't need a lot. As you can see, I still have product on my lips, on my fingers, not the lips. It's very lightweight. I like the packaging, I like the formula. And let's continue with the jelly primer. I'm very excited about this one. We have a little sticker. I really want to see. Oops, that's liquidy. Ooh, it looks like jelly. Oh my god, it's so nice. So I'm going to apply whatever I have on my hand. So this is very spreadable and you don't need to use a lot. It smells very nice. It is like a very light watermelon scent and it's not overwhelming. It gives a very natural glow to the skin. It's very nice. Also, I don't feel that it is tight on my skin, and that's very important for me because I have dry skin. It is a little bit tacky, but that's fine. A lot of primers are. For this one, you're gonna see a wear test, so stay tuned. Before I continue with my foundation, I'm taking just a hairpin because I can't have my hair like this. Oh, it doesn't look nice. Okay, here maybe. Not the greatest, but it's okay. I want to find some hairpins like this, but in neon and also translucent. So let me know in the comments if you have seen something like that online or in a store. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup in the shade 40. That looks great on top of the primer. And after that, I'm gonna use a Camouflage Matte Concealer. I have it here in the shade 30 Light Honey. To set everything, I'm gonna use one of these brushes. This is the face brush. So most of the times I'm using a brush like this one here. This is a $1 brush by AOA Studio. You can see that this one here is a lot smaller, but maybe it works, so let's find out. And for powder, I'm gonna use this one here. This is from the previous collection, the Wanna Be My Honey, and it is the mattifying fixing powder. We have here a pressed powder by Essence and it is translucent. I have also done a wear test in my previous video with Essence makeup products and this one here. So I'm taking some with my new brush and I'm going to set all of my face makeup. This one also smells like honey. It smells very nice. I think this one can work very well for any touch-ups during the day, so you can have it in your bag. Okay, so this is a nice brush, very soft. For my eyes, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take some of this mattifying primer powder again. I'm blending any creases and then I'm just pressing with my brush. I also want to use this brush here, the Precise Face Brush, and I'm going to use it with the Contouring Duo palette in the shade 10 Lighter Skin, and this is from the Spring Summer collection. So I'm taking the darker shade. Okay, that's not a bad brush because you can blend the product in big circles, so you can cover more area, and also because of the size of it, you can do a more precise application. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because it's very small for the face. For a very fast contouring application, you can also use it on your nose. I'm applying some product on the sides of my nose. For blush, I'm gonna use the Blush Lighter Gradient Powder Blush. This is in the shade Coral Sunset. And I'm going to take only the blush, this one here, with the same brush. I'm going to use it on the highest point of my cheeks. I'm also using a little bit on the bridge of the nose. It is a little bit more challenging for blush application, but I like this one for bronzer and contouring because it's very easy to blend your products. To highlight my face, I'm gonna use the Choose Your Glow highlighter palette. Let's see the colors that we have. I'm going to take a little bit of this, and this. Ooh, the shades are very pretty. And let's see the colors. The shades are so wearable, very nice. You can use this one also for darker skin tones. I'm taking this eyeshadow blender and this shade here, the light champagne, or this one is a little bit more yellowy, not exactly champagne. Ooh, that's very intense. So I'm cleaning my brush on a tissue and now let's blend this. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's very blinding. This is how I like my highlighters. The brush is blending my highlighter super nicely on the skin. I'm wiping a little bit the bristles. I want to take one more highlighter shade. This one here. This is like a light peachy color. I'm going to use this on the other side. Ooh, that's so pretty. I'm trying to blend it now because it is super shiny. On my nose, I'm gonna use a mix of these two. Ooh, that's super nice. It is like the perfect color for me. The highlighters are very smooth on the skin. I really like the brushes. They can blend anything into perfection. And they are super cute as well. Hi guys, I have just finished with my eye makeup look, also the brows. And for my eyes, I have used this bite-size eyeshadow palette, Cream and Sugar by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I bought all the colors of these bite-size eyeshadow palette, so you're going to see a lot of these on my channel. So let's continue with the mini jelly lip gloss. This one has a grapefruit scent and it smells so nice. And let's use it. Oops, you don't need a lot. It is very spreadable. Oh, I ate some. Story of my life. We also have a mini liquid lipstick, and as we can see, we have like a light mauve shade. I'm going to remove the lip gloss and use the lipstick. This one smells so nice. What is this? Coconut. This one dries very quickly. We have like a light lilac pinkish lip color. Yeah, it is completely dry, so I'm going to let it on my lips for a couple of hours. And I like the doe foot applicator of this one. This one here is the mini fixing spray. It has a coconut scent. I'm gonna use this on half of my face. Oh my god, I think I applied a lot. I hope my lashes stay on my eyes. The fan is so useful for fixing sprays. So I think this side has more glow now. And on the other side, I'm gonna use the refreshing all over mist. Okay, I think I applied a lot on this side as well. For this one we have a very nice fine mist and it smells so nice when you spray it on your face. I also want to use this nail polish on one of my nails, this one here. So I'm going to remove the color that I have. This is with one coat and we have a very nice color payoff, and this one is with two coats. It looks very nice. Okay guys, it's been 8 hours and let's do the wear test for the Fruit Mood collection. I have the primer on my face for 8 hours and the liquid lipstick for about 3 hours. My foundation looks very smooth on my skin and my cheeks are a little bit glowy because of the mist and also the fixing spray. I like that my foundation didn't crease. I think I did something to my lashes on this eye. Anyways, let's pretend that the lashes are okay. So about the nail polish, now it doesn't smell anything. I don't have this watermelon scent, but I don't really care. I like that we have a very nice color payoff with this one. And about the liquid lipstick, I lost a little bit of color on the inner part of the lips. And it is a little sticky. That's weird. The formula of this liquid lipstick intensifies the finer lines of the lips, and it reminds me a little bit of the Stay 8 Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick that I have reviewed on my channel a few days ago. I have also done lip swatches for all of the colors. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product of today's video. I have two products, the jelly primer and also the highlighter palette, because this looks so nice on the face. You can also watch this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!